Okay, problem number 14. Is the given piecewise function continuous and differentiable for all x? It really only needs to say, is it differentiable for all x? Because if it's differentiable, then it is continuous. If it is not continuous, then it is not differentiable. So let's look at f of x first. Let's determine if it's continuous or not. So plug in 2. 2 times 2 squared plus 3. 2 squared is 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11. Plug in 2 to the other function. 8 times 2 is 16 minus 5 is also 11. So it's continuous. Let's determine if it is differentiable, which means take the derivative and determine if the derivative is continuous. So derivative of 2x squared plus 3 is 4x. Derivative of 8x minus 5 is 8. X value of interest is 2. Therefore, plug in 2 to the function. 4 times 2 is 8. And so, yes, this is differentiable because the function is continuous, and so is the derivative. Let's do the same thing with this function. Is f of x continuous? Well, 3 cubed minus 3 squared minus 3 is 3 times 3 squared minus 3 minus 1. Maybe that makes it easier, maybe it makes it harder, I don't know. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. That did make it easier for me anyways. Plug into the bottom branch. 3 times 3 squared plus 3 times 3. Oh my gosh, there's so many 3's in this problem. Equals 3 times 3 squared plus, well, wait, why don't I just pull out a 3 squared? Times, oh my gosh, why is your show complicated? Pull out a 3 squared of both those terms, and you have 3 squared times 3 plus 1. Maybe you do it differently, whatever. I don't care. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 4, last time I checked, was 36, which means this function ain't continuous, which means this function ain't differentiable.